This thing even opens up. Look at that. What, Derek? What do you think of the Starfleet shuttlecraft?
Let's go to the stairs.
Okay, we will. Hold on. We'll close the hatch.
What is that? I want to see.
You want to see inside there? Can you open it? Okay, let's open it. See?
What is
That's some of the inner workings of the shuttlecraft.
I have a picture over there that looks like this, and it has a picture of the Star Trek guys that like they're working on it.
Yeah, they were restoring it.
No, it's that picture right there.
Where? Over here at the front?
Yeah, right here to the right.
You mean right here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You got the Spock and him and that,
Yeah.
look at, you know,
exactly, yeah.
66, 69.
Yeah, they used it for, yeah, those are the three seasons that they used the shuttlecraft.
Dad, we to school?
What?
What ride can we go on?
We can go on things, we will. Now that is quite an amazing thing right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay. We're going to see other things, yeah.